Hi, good afternoon, friends. Today is Wednesday, 10th of March 2021, and the time now is 1:45 p.m. So now, as you can see, I already completed my concrete ramp up to strip number 8, and my pecha is growing. I put snails and slug bait because they're destroying the leaves of these vegetables, pechay or bok choy. And this one here, so this just the purpose of this small strip, actually that's for base. The purpose of this is just to pour concrete, and I can clean the sides of this ramp when it's concreted. So I'm going to pour concrete today. I just want to show you the progress of my concrete ramp. So I was not able to do the ramp here because there's still pechay growing. So once this pechay harvested, then I can start the remaining strips needs to be done in here. So I don't want to eradicate them since our vegetables, so it's beautifully growing, but still I need to put some fertilizer, because some of them is still destroying by slugs and snails. And I put some pechay here as well, and with the pellets around it. And this is my celery, and this is my chili, and this lemongrass growing beautifully. And look at my bitter gourd or ampalaya is start climbing up, and this is also a chili, but there's a slug eating its leaves, so I need to put pellets. So, and this is my eggplant. There are a lot of flowers, but I don't know why it doesn't go through. And this is another type of vegetables that's similar to what we have back home. We call it saluyot, but this is not actually a saluyot. It's similar. So now again, slugs are eating this. You can see that the slugs truck. I don't know where they're hiding, because normally they attack at night. I think I saw that. I saw it there. I saw the slugs. Where is it? So you can see there's a slugs truck. But again, I don't know where they're hiding, because they normally attack the plants at night. There. So I saw the one. Yeah. See the one? Yeah. That's the slugs. So I need to put it somewhere so it won't come back. Otherwise, it might destroy the plants again. So I just put it here for a moment. And here, I put pellets bait as well. Again, they're hiding now somewhere. But this one is severely damaged because of the slugs and snails. Yeah. But they're growing beautifully so far. So next time I'm going to put a plant box in here, this area here. So that's about 200 mil. So we can raise it to prevent slugs penetrating. Look at my lemongrass. It covers my spring onion. This is my spring onion. So I don't buy any lemongrass now. Spring onion, celery. I just come here and cut when I need it. And there are some white flies, so I need to spray it with some insecticides. So I want these plants to get flowers and create seeds. So next summer I can create another bunch of this kind of plants. This is good for just put in microwave, just 30 seconds or a minute, and then you can mix with tomato, onion, and put some a bit of sugar, a bit of soy sauce, then mix them together, and it's yummy. All right, so hopefully it won't rain today. Yeah, there's a lot of patchy clouds. Oh, not really, just dark clouds, I mean. So, but again, these small strips they're ready to pour. And by the way, this cardboard serves as a construction joint. So I'm gonna pour this monolithically with a construction joint. So this is what I'm gonna do. I just put this small timber to block the concrete. Yeah. So when it's fully when this fully full of cement, I'm going to remove this timber slowly and put some concrete on this side to prevent like a counter force induced by the concrete in here. So I'm gonna put some concrete here to prevent concrete flowing, and then go put the concrete all the way through to the left. Yeah, similar on these sides here. So this is the alignment of the remaining strips, so they're equally equal distance, I mean. So I think it's a 0.649 each way. Yeah. Yeah, some of them are really severely damaged because of this slugs and snails. But yeah, that's why I put some pellets to eradicate those snails and slugs. Alright, friends, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe at my channel, namely The Great Kiwinoy. So yeah, I hope you like this small presentation of what I've currently completed. So once I pour concrete this small strip, I'm going to reinstate all the soils besides this ramp. I'm gonna clean everything and mow the grass around. Alright, this is my dwarf lemon. So now the leaves turn to green nearly, and I put some pechay here. Yeah. There. And this another pechay there. Alright. So I have to wait gising na siya ne? Gising na? Oh. Alright, I'm talking to my wife because we're looking after our granddaughter. Now she wakes up. Okay, friends, thank you so much for your time. I have to uncover this. Yeah, it looks okay now, because yesterday it looks dying because of the hot weather. So this temporary put this in here. I have to uncover this as well. So it looks it's raining. It's gonna be rain, I mean. So I let the clouds pass. When it yeah, I let the clouds pass before start. The volume of this concrete I'm gonna pour today is about 20 liters, so about 0.02 cubic meter. Yeah, so basically it's 2 bags of builder's mix, because one bag is 11 liters, so times 2, that's 22 liters, but I won't use everything for the second bag. Alright, thank you so much for your time. Please be safe, God bless, and thank you for your support. Bye for now.